In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF file on Thinkific. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your PDF appears as a clean, professional lesson inside your course. Start by opening your Thinkific admin and heading to Products, then Courses. This is where all of your course content lives. If you have multiple offerings, this view helps you keep things organized, and it ensures you're editing the right product rather than another page or site setting. Next, select the course you want to edit. This takes you into the course editor, where your curriculum is arranged into chapters and lessons. If you're collaborating with a team, make sure you have the right permissions to make edits on this course. In the course curriculum area, look to the left and click Add Lesson. You'll see options for different lesson types. Choosing the right one here helps Thinkific present your content in the most useful way for learners. From the list of lesson types, select PDF. A PDF lesson displays your document directly in the course player, so students can read it on any device without needing extra software. It's ideal for worksheets, reading materials, or downloadable resources you want to preserve with consistent formatting. Give your lesson a clear, descriptive title. Think along the lines of what a student expects to see, like printable worksheet or Chapter 2 reading. Consistent titles make your curriculum easy to navigate and help learners quickly find what they need. Now, upload your document. You can drag and drop your PDF into the Uploaded PDF file area, or click Browse Files to select it from your computer. Before you upload, double-check that the file name is clean and final, and that the document isn't password protected. A stable internet connection helps the upload complete smoothly. Watch for the progress indicator, and give it a moment to finish so the file is fully processed. If you ever need to update the document later, you can replace the file while keeping the same lesson in your curriculum. When everything looks good, click Save Lesson. Saving commits your changes to the course so your work doesn't get lost. You can always come back to this lesson to revise the title, swap the PDF, or adjust its placement in the curriculum to match your course flow. That's it. You've successfully added a PDF lesson to your Thinkific course. Follow these steps each time you need to include a document, and your course materials will stay organized, consistent, and easy for students to access.